Hello, much love. Namaste. My name is Rachel, and this is going to be a 10-minute energy session and guided meditation that will help you manifest a new reality instantly. We are going to be shifting into another reality, shifting into a parallel reality that is in fact happening at this moment. So if you want more information about that, I encourage you to check out my other video that talks about alternate realities, what they are, and what this integration process is going to look like as you go through it. But for now, we're going to do a quantum leaping technique and meditation that's going to help you integrate instantly with this new reality. So just begin by closing your eyes if you're able to. Begin to breathe. So as I said, it's not only a meditation, but I'm an intuitive energy healer, and so I'm going to be flowing universal life force energy to you during this process. It's really going to help open you up. It's going to help you align with this new parallel reality effortlessly and seamlessly. So as you breathe, set the intention that your heart and your mind are open to this new reality. And with my hands, I'm just creating some sacred Reiki healing symbols. They help you cross all time and space into these different realities. It's all physics. There's nothing woo-woo about it. So just breathe in this space that you've created at this moment. And I'm connecting with your energy in this reality, and I'm going to connect with your energy in the parallel reality. Feel very protected as you go through this process. You are safe. Feel your body lying against the surface that you're sitting or lying on. Feel yourself supported by this universe. The whole universe is rooting for you. That is why you came across this video. You are ready to shift. Your higher self guided you here for a reason. Trust this. Open your third eye, your center of intuition. Open your heart. Open your energetic field. And feel your energy within your body. Feel it connected to everything in this reality and all other realities. Know that this reality is simply a reflection of this energy that you have within your field at this moment. Know that energy is constantly moving. It is never stagnant. And this reality can shift the second that you set the intention for it to shift. You can move mountains, you can move worlds with the power of your intention, the power of your energy. For you are the only creator of your experience. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to just envision the room that you're in right now. The life that you're living right now, how you think and feel and what you do and the people and how they act. This is the reality that you aligned with, that you created, based on circumstances up until this point. But you can shift it at any time. So I want you to imagine that there is a hallway, and on the other side of the hallway, there is a room, and in that room is the parallel reality that you are going to be walking into through this meditation. So using your imagination, you get up and you walk to the door in this room and you open it. You are leaving this reality behind. Walk across that hallway. Open the door to that parallel reality and just stay there. Just observe. Observe yourself in this parallel reality that you are creating. What are you doing? How do you feel? Just imagine one scene that perfectly represents this entire parallel reality. What does this room look like? Who else is in this room? People, pets? What does it smell like? What's the energy like? You're just observing right now. Getting a clearer and clearer picture of the reality that you are about to walk into. And now imagine yourself in this reality walks up to this doorway to greet you. What do you look like? What is the air you have about you? Give this version of you a hug, a loving embrace, an embrace of gratitude. They are living everything that you have been wanting to live and that you can live. As you continue to hug this version of you, feel your energy integrating together so that you're no longer two different versions, but you've completely integrated into one. Now, through the eyes of this new version of yourself, walk around this new reality that you just entered. How do you feel? How do you think? If there's anybody else in that room, go and give them a hug, a loving embrace. How are they acting towards you? What do they do? What do your days look like? What activities do you engage in? Do you travel? Do you have unlimited abundance, passive income, true unconditional love, peace, freedom? Feel it all. Integrate with it all. You are seeing this reality through a first-person point of view. You are in this reality. You have integrated. You have merged. Be here. Fully embrace it. And know that any doubts or fears are just that old version of you, just energy from it purging. Allow it to float out. Allow it to purge out. And continue to live from the space of this new version. Parallel version of yourself. Your minds are merged, your hearts are merged, your entire energy field is merged. Now imagine this energy field expanding past you and merging with everything that you see around you, the energy of other people, the energy of what you're doing, the activities, the travel, the money and success, the energy of peace and love. Merge your energy with all of it so that these are the only things that are reflected in your reality. Now take a couple really deep breaths in. Allow this integration to complete. Feel yourself lying or sitting on the surface that you are right now. You have integrated. Continue to listen to this every day, knowing that you will very quickly see your reality mold into this parallel reality, for you have integrated and are now living from this space. You're going to disconnect from your energy. So be it, and so it is. We give thanks to you, your higher self, the universe. It is done. So as I said, listen to this as often as you can until you don't have to anymore. My name is Rachel. Namaste.